Hello everyone, I'm Nikki T,
I'm Colleen.
and we're on Bubble Fridge Production.
Wait, we had to, sorry.
It's alright.
And we're on Bubble Fridge Production.
So, as you guys can tell by my voice, I'm a little sick, but it's all good. We're going to react to some skiing fails because she's on the ski team.
Oh, yeah.
She's like the best person on the ski team, and everyone else sucks.
No, don't say that. Say what she is. That's really mean.
I mean, that's what I was told by another member of the ski team. So,
It's mean, though. Pretty good.
well, I've never watched them, I'm just going based off what I heard. So let's watch this video. Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, I'll link this video down below so you guys can watch it as well. It's complicated. Oh, they lost. Oh, they took another person down with them. Those Jerry's?
Jerry. Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, face. Oh, jeez. I don't know about any of this.
You okay?
It's no more, it's just flop.
This.
But he's okay, so it's all good. Oh! Just took that person out. Oh, jeez, this is gonna be fun. Oh! You try. So, A for effort. Oh! And you can hear him say no. Up. That's what happens when you try to be cool, kids. It's just funny when they slide onto their face. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is.
Go film a nigga.
Oh! Just flew right into it. At least he caught himself first. Oh, that poor doggy. It's so cute. Aw. That reminds me of my dog when you just cut her nails and she tries to walk down the hallway.
Oh man, I don't think so.
Ahí viene Pico.
I'm watching the person in the background. Knew it was gonna be them. Oh no! That's so funny when they hit the other people.
Watch out for Jerry.
Oh!
1,
2,
3,
4.
Oh my god!
Oh no!
Baby,
No,
keep
no,
forward.
They just suck at this. Although that's probably gonna be me when I finally try to snowboard. They're just failing worse and worse each time. Oh! Oh yeah, she sent me a video of herself doing this and it was hilarious. Yeah, that was cool. Oh jeez. Just flipped. Still being dragged.
Oh.
Just send it up and jump straight up.
Oh, well, by the end. Oh, jeez. Bee netting?
That's
Why is it called bee netting?
I,
You're supposed to be the expert.
but I'm not. I don't work in it.
Oh, jeez. Gotta watch out for that ice. I always love it when you see someone doing good first and then you just see someone
You're
fail.
like, oh, well, and then lethal edge catches will get you at any time. Those snow snakes.
This way, mates, behind me.
Things
Go
that-
behind me.
You know.
If you go in front of me, there's a big hole here, mate, so.
Snow snake. Well, quite your ankle.
Okay, then.
That's just
Fucking
not
Samuel's Cave
everybody's
6 foot.
excuse for. I made a mistake.
Oh,
I'm not
shit!
gonna admit to it.
Oh, I just hit the log with their face. Probably not. Oh.
We've all been there before.
Oh, wait, I have tried snowboarding before. And I fell. It was at my neighbor's house. Because they had a huge amount of snow. Oh! So yeah, I'm gonna link this guy's channel to Epic Laughs and Funny Pets. I guess that's both their channels or something. But yeah, I'll link both those channels. This was on Epic Laughs.
Epic Laughs on YouTube. Okay.
Yeah, so go check them out and subscribe to them too. So what do you
And
think?
subscribe to Bubble Fridge, obviously, because
Well,
Nikki
yeah.
is great, and Bubble Fridge is great.
Thank you. You can also find videos of me eating live grasshoppers and chipmunks crawling on my back.
I've not seen either of those.
Pretty much my whole school's seen that video, the
Except
grasshopper
me,
one.
apparently.
I still get people coming up to me like, "Hey, are you the person that ate the cricket?" And I say, "No, I'm the person who ate the grasshopper."
Have I ever eaten a bug? No. Maybe accidentally, yes. But
In
I
your
don't think
sleep.
I've ever intentionally eaten a bug.
So what'd you think of your first time on Bubble Fridge Production?
I think it was pretty fun. I've never done a reaction video before, so that was definitely different. I wasn't really sure what to look at or what to do with my hands.
And it comes with time. Colleen will probably be a guest on several videos.
Yeah, boy. If people like me.
They'll love you. Colleen's awesome.
Thank you. You're awesome.
You're awesome.
You're awesome.
You're awesome.
You're awesome.
You're awesome.
That's my best friend, guys.
I probably shouldn't raise my voice because again I'm sick.
Yeah. You need to go home.
That's why like she
That's why I'm sitting all the way back here. Because
Yeah.
I'm a germaphobe and a hypochondriac, and if I'm around somebody who's sick without taking proper precautions, I'm gonna think that I'm sick next.
just wash your hands and you'll be good.
Wash your hands. I'll take some emergency. I'll take some Zycam. I probably am not supposed to list all of these brands in the video because we're not sponsored.
We're not sponsored by anyone. Maybe soon we'll be sponsored, but not yet. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you do, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, and hit that like button. And yeah, this has been Nikki T.
Colleen,
And we're on Bubble Fridge Production.
was I also supposed to say that?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Alright, let me try one more time.
I've been Nikki T.
I'm Colleen.
And we're on
On
Bubble
Bubble
Fridge
Fridge
Production.
Production.
That's like gonna be the new intro and outro
Yeah.
since
You're
Lee
right.
isn't here anymore.
Did I do it right?
Yeah, you did good.
Sweet, man.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye.